English vocabulary, to fill in for someone. To fill in for someone is an idiomatic expression that means to temporarily replace or substitute for someone who is absent, unavailable, or unable to perform their duties. It involves taking on the responsibilities or tasks of the absent person. Breakdown. Temporary replacement. The phrase suggests that the substitution is temporary rather than permanent. Assuming responsibilities, it implies that the person filling in will take on the tasks, duties, or roles of the absent individual. Differences. To fill in for someone can be distinguished from to take over, when someone permanently assumes the responsibilities or role of another person. To assist, when someone provides support or help, but does not necessarily assume full responsibility. Example sentences. 1. The teacher asked a colleague to fill in for her while she was on maternity leave. 2. The backup quarterback had to fill in for the injured starter in the championship game. 3. The manager asked an employee to fill in for the absent team lead during the meeting. 4. The actress had to fill in for her understudy, who was unable to perform due to illness. 5. The IT specialist was asked to fill in for the network administrator, who was attending a conference. The phrase "to fill in for someone" highlights the importance of flexibility and adaptability in responding to unexpected situations or absences.